Do not interfere with other people's cause and effect. In Buddhism, cause and effect is a natural operating principle, fair and impartial. Every person born, growing up, encountering favorable conditions or adversity, does so due to the very causes sown in countless eons and right in the present. Therefore, when witnessing someone facing difficulties or suffering, we often want to intervene immediately to solve everything for them. But understood according to the Dharma, each person has their own stream of karma, and we should not interfere in a way that lacks wisdom. The Buddha taught that one invites their own karma and one transforms their own karma. We can love, we can help, we can create good conditions, but we cannot pay off karma on their behalf or erase karma for them. There are sufferings that, although painful for us to watch, are the very lessons for that person to awaken, mature, and change their body, speech, and mind. If we intervene excessively, we unintentionally prevent them from learning that lesson, causing the cycle of karma to last longer. Help lacking in wisdom sometimes causes the other person to develop a mindset of dependency, losing the ability to be independent. Sometimes we save them from a small suffering, but cause them to fall into a greater suffering because they are not mature enough to overcome it themselves. Compassion without wisdom can sometimes become harmful. The right thing to do according to the Buddhist spirit is to support, but not carry the burden for them, to open the way, but not interfere, to create conditions, but not force conditions. We can advise them to practice, keep the precepts, recite the Buddha's name, and do good deeds. We can encourage their spirit so they can stand up on their own. We can help within the allowable limits, but always know where to stop. Let the law of cause and effect operate exactly as it is meant to, because when causes and conditions are ripe, that person will transform themselves, and when the karma has not yet been fully repaid, even if we try to take their place, they will still encounter that lesson again in another form. Instead of interfering, let us use compassion and wisdom to illuminate their path. We are only the ones adding a lamp. The walking is their job. Do not interfere with other people's cause and effect. It is not because we are heartless, but because we understand that respecting each person's karmic conditions is the very way to help them truly mature on the path to enlightenment. Namo Shakyamuni Buddha. Namo Amitabha Buddha.